YouTube, what's going on? Your boy, SRTBree, back with another video. This is gonna be a quick little short video, just a little update. So first update is, on the spark, you feel me? If you've seen the last video, we got involved in a hit and run accident, so took it to the body shop. They seen the damages, and it's almost 4K in damages, so that's where it is now. They've been here for about 2 weeks, so it'll be all repaired back to new. But my deductible was, you feel me, $1,000, but luckily, I guess here in Maryland, if the uninsured motorist hit and run, so classified, so I had to pay the $250 deductible. I mean, beats $1,000, but I shouldn't have to pay anything. Still wasn't my fault, but yeah, guys, that's life. And then second update is on the fin. As you can see, the other video I had when I installed the tinted smoked Let's Play frame right there. As you know, the other day they done got me, guys. But yeah, I got pulled over, just for that. I wasn't speeding, doing nothing crazy, so I literally just got pulled over for that. Just got a warning, so I mean it's not too bad, but I guess I'm gonna just take it off because I don't got time just to be getting stopped. All it takes is one wrong encounter, but one officer got one bad day and they'll ruin your day too. So I'm just about to take it off. So I'm taking off the smoked license plate frame cover and the Spoiler King frame, and I'll put that nice Infiniti frame on there. I had it for a while, just been waiting to put it on. So cold start for you guys real quick. Update on the spark, so that'll be gone for about 2 weeks, so don't expect a video on that. And videos coming on the fin, starting to warm up.